everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Claude chat not responding issue. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network can prevent AI from replying. Then, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and restart it. This will clear a temporary system issue. You should also clear the apps cache. In Android, go to Settings, open Apps, select Claude, tap Storage and clear the cache. This often fixes performance issues. Make sure your app is updated. Head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the app and make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the app. That's how you fix the Claude